you will be smart. You don't have to be a PhD holder or a BSc holder to be a book reader. You can read a book in your own form. Just check it out. Just check it. There is no human that you know today that is successful at any sphere of life that has not made at one point in their life or up to date reading a daily practice. They don't exist. Just check it out. Quote me anywhere. Just Google their name and check their daily practice, or watch some of the interviews they have been in or where they've been featured, and look at some of the practices of their life that they have as a daily practice. And I'm sure reading is going to be one of them. So make reading your daily habit, and of course, make listening a very important tool for you to be able to use to formulate a better future for yourself, so that when you listen, you will be able to form a good question, you will be able to lead others, you will be able to ask good questions, you will be able to teach others what you learn from other people. Well, before I go, as I promised, that I'm going to share with you the 6 secrets of successful leadership. He happily called it the 6 rules of successful leadership.